Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to post in Quora in few seconds. So it's very simple. First of all, you just have to open Quora in your desktop. So for that, you need to go on a Chrome or any browser that you want to. So now you have to search for Quora here. So here I have already logged into Quora. You can see my account name and I have already logged in here. So now for the post, you just need to click on here. So you can see the option here, ask, answer and post. So you just need to click on the post here and write something. So just write here, so you can just write your post here and you can just add your gallery or any picture. So I'm going to add this, click on this and post it. So to check if you have just added your post or not, you just have to go to your profile in this icon and go to your profile. So here I have already posted my post in Quora. So in this way, you can just post in Quora. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please comment down below and subscribe the channel. Thank you.